In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Trello in just 5 minutes. By integrating these two powerful tools, you'll streamline your workflow and boost productivity, making team collaboration smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Navigate to the login page and click on Log In. When you click on this button, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to sign in. For a quick and convenient method, click on the Google icon. Here, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply select your account to proceed, and you'll be brought to your Trello workspace. Next up, you'll need to access the settings where we'll start setting up the connection with Slack. On the left side of your Trello workspace, locate the panel and find the option Workspace Settings. Click on this and then, in the new window, click on Workspace Settings again. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can manage different aspects of your workspace. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down to the section labeled Slack Workspaces Linking. You'll find this section at the bottom of the page, usually past other configuration options related to your Trello workspace. This part of the settings is the hub for linking Trello with Slack, where you can manage and view connected Slack workspaces. When you're in the Slack Workspaces linking section, the next thing you need to do is click on the Add to Slack button. This action will initiate the integration process. A new window or tab will open, guiding you through the authorization steps on Slack's end. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct Slack workspace that you wish to connect with Trello. The final step in this integration process is straightforward. As you navigate through the Slack authorization process, you'll be presented with an Allow button. Clicking this will confirm the connection and grant Trello the necessary permissions to interact with your chosen Slack workspace. Once you've clicked Allow, your Trello board will be linked to Slack, facilitating updates and notifications directly between the two platforms. Congratulations! You have successfully connected Slack and Trello. By linking these two, you can now enjoy easier team communication, streamline task assignments, and get real-time notifications on project updates, all within your preferred channel. Remember to explore further customization options in both apps to make the most out of this integration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced productivity.